Okay, so final provisionals is we design it from all these extracted, like trying to make convex as much as possible, or engage with 4 implants to make the 4 months like this. So from the digital still file, we give it to them as a great temporizations. It's another great solution for them. Today I would like to discuss with how to make the good provisional cases. Basically, doctor took the temporary impression with the 4 implants, and the doctors indicated regarding the cases, where is the implant, and this is existing teeth, which is great pre-op. That's the great standard format. And then he gave us his lower as well, which is remounted. And then he said the maintains good midline. Anyway, this is tissue, so temporary, so I can make the better than this. So temporary meaning after remounting this, like he said, is we can increase the vertical dimension from here, and then we maintains with the midline, so I can draw all the way here to there. Okay, now I'm going to hold out these teeth in order to make the one full mouth provisional cases. Right, so key is here. I have to draw regarding the tissue size. Here's is nice, but I can grind a little bit more for the premolar, which is a rectangular shape. So I can grind more and make more hygiene effect. Now this is more grinded to make the better positioning about the lateral. Okay, so that's the first. You have to draw that. This is a premolar. Here's this bubble, so eliminate it. Okay. Now this one will be premolar. See, just like that. So it's not too late, even though they did not do the correct digital plan. And this stage, we're going to make the provisional and then preserving the good temporization for hygiene and also great contour. So that is the key to make this nice temporary. Number 1, I have to get rid of all those things. Just like that. Okay. Get rid of this. Okay, number 2. Take it out. To come. So okay, before do this, so just grinding down much like this, right? Take it out. Okay. So I give the indentation for the facial. Just like now it's grinded with a carbide bar. So make the rectangular shape. Open it more. That's why Dr. sent to us for the provisional temporary. So regardless digital plan or analog, it doesn't matter. It's matter is the technician. So we have to build correct. I compare the house. Okay, we have to build in order to make the perfect house, we have to make the good strategy. Okay, just like where's the kitchen, where's the bathroom, how many bedroom, where's the garage, like that. So that one enough we can cut it, so doctor can reduce it and then preserve it with their tissue to make the best full mouth implant, either zirconia, hybrid case. This is the basic start, which is a lot of people did not understand what I'm doing because they don't know the final house. Probably they build to the house with digitally, but even though digital technician doesn't know about the final detail contour, they cannot build it. Probably they're decent, probably they make the beautiful house, but when the hurricane back, they will collapse. That's what I'm talking about. So number one, you see, joint grinding, same as the other side. Now the other one too, I can take it out this, trying to make convex. And so I turn, grind it, and take it out the tool. Trying to make the convex. Maintains the principal contour, but the reduce is like football shape. I think this is a bubble line here, right? Just the starting. You can see the old grinded, make them with a line, extract the tools, and come back like this. I have to grind more, I have to grind more, grind more. Number two, make the temporary, implant temporary, okay? So if you pull out the tooth, you can imitate it. I can check it out the tooth. The same as immediate dental concept. Right here, all the way, and open up, put full shape, just make sure. Full shape. Okay. Now you see the facial contour. Just comes in with the line. You don't have to make moves. That's good. I respect the tissue contour from facially. Okay. Just like other. But remember, this is the aesthetic start. Okay. So this is the central. Remember, as I said, I'm going to grind the disc just like here more, okay? Because look at this on the other side, the tissue contour, just like you pay the same as the other side, which is all about the symmetry from here. And you did not do this, it will be a different shape and contour. This one probably we don't need a contour. Anyway, so just contouring. Okay, so make symmetry. Make the convex underneath. Okay. And the same as this pinwheel. Grinding. I like to show you the labels. Alright. So here's our contour. So I have like roll to make the premolar shape. And then open it. Make the mic shiny. emergency provide the quick control to implant patient. This is very imperative moment. By the way, this is Zirmac soft tissue, which is I love it because I can grind it. The pros and cons. Sometimes you need both. But I do prefer to grind easily instead of the makes me happy. Alright, I can go through the tonic in case other decencies. Alright, looks like they really want to make the mold. You know what? I just noticed this. This is what the PMMA looks like the oil to me. So if I do that, then I have to grind more because for the better support my final implant. Sometimes type A, sometimes custom implant is not enough to the final tissue control. I'm looking for the longevity, a little bit more open it, so I can get maximum things like that. Nice. Alright. Now this is final. So this is what it looked like. You see it's a rectangular shape. You saw the previously. Here's obey panic. And most I like the matching the aesthetic design from the pink. Aesthetics. I'm trying to grind a little bit more here. I'm going to. Okay. And then make the better contour compared to before. Now here's the before and after. Okay, so I'm so glad to help the dentist, which is they need help for final future prosthetics, not only temporary. That's why we made these good temporizations. So we're going to make the custom tray for the doctor, so new custom tray, and then they were going to take the great impression after 3 months, 4 months later. Alright, so we're going to open the vertical, and then we check the midline just like here. Previously we can maintain. I just grinding intentionally like this. Okay, so we can make this better contour. So now I'm going to show you how to design the PMMA, which is pretty easy scan and design. We put it in the scanner and then design it, and then we can either make milling or printing. Okay. Alright, this is the finals regarding the big case in the 12 implant cases. This is a starting basis with doctors made a good custom tray, which is open tray. That's a very good idea. Okay, to get the correct impression to make the tissue model. Okay, so not only that, they do have a PMMA's conversion from this is natural teeth, so they extract all those things out. So we made the verification jig and also wax shrines such as like that. That's from the upper and lower. This is the guidance, and then they try in the patient's mouth and then just make sure with the patients. And this is the upper and lower with a temporary cylinder, put it together. Okay. Try the different colors. Patients like the bright colors, which is finally fabricated, and this. Okay. That one is top of the line, the Titan 5000. which as you can see the colors, aesthetic and differentiations, Provisional anatomy. It's very little layer. It's the 7 stars case. So glad we finished. You saw the all my from the scanning, design, and OPEC regarding the framework and finish it, and then top of that individual restorations, and then here put together. That's the final. It's a lot of work, but this is the world-class 4-month cases which is we present to the Dr. Wang in Georgia. So he'll get the great stuff, just like better than diamond actually. Alright, thanks for watching my old video. And then don't forget subscribe it. And I do have a private members patreon.com. Feel free to join. With $25 we could get a lot of information from me. Appreciate it.